Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we're going to do something random. I'm going to see if I can make a grenade using Kismet. I haven't really done any preparation for this. I'm just going to kind of do it. I'm going to wing it and see if we can make a grenade kind of thing go on. So let's get started. So we got our scene here. The first thing I want to do, you can't really see it because of my image here, so let me move me over. Let's go to View, Properties, and then let's just go down to the game type. Whoops, let's move that over to UT game. Perfect. And just to confirm, let's spawn in. And there we go. So we got that going. So the first thing we want to have happen here, just an easy press of a button. So actually, the first thing we're going to do is just not give us any weapons here. So new event, level loaded. So every time the level's loaded, actually instead of that, let's do player spawned. New event on player spawned. Set the max trigger count to 0, so we can do this infinitely. The new action, actor. Is it pawn? Yeah. Pawn, give inventory. Do player target, just player 0, since uncheck that. I don't really give inventory. Clear existing. Put that in, and let's just make this like that. Let's try again. I think we got error. So there we go. We got no inventory. So so far that's good. Let's comment that. Default inventory. So that gives us nothing. Now I want to have happen here is let's do a new event, and then input key button pressed, and then I think left mouse button is one of them. To test this, let's do new action, voice announcements, play announcement, and then pressed. Just say grenade thrown. So let's see if that input is correct. No. Alright. Maybe it's just LMB. Let's try it. Nope. Alrighty. I'm just going to do a quick research here in the UDN on the input names. Just to make sure, because I want to do it so when you left mouse click, that's when a grenade's going to be thrown. So new events. Alright. Sorry, I'm just loading this up in front of me here. Okay. Let's find that input. Okay, it is left mouse button, but there's no spaces like I did before. Okay, let's just confirm that. Yep, there we go. Okay. So let me put this over here. Let's do a new remote event. So action, event, activate remote event. Spawn grenade. I think there needs to be a delay in here. Okay, and then let's do a new event, remote event. Spawn grenade. Okay. New action. Actor factory. And what we're going to do is down here, let's go to K actor factory. And then basically we need to do a couple of settings in here, so I'll expand it. first thing we look for is the static mesh we want. So let me go ahead and open up my content browser. I have just a normal, like, I made a sphere in 3ds Max. That's going to be our grenade. I gave it collision, so it can be a K actor, so that's what I'm going to choose in there. So basically, since I had it selected in my content browser, I just hit that green arrow and it selects and places it in there for us. The draw 3D scale, let's just make it small, so let's go half the size, just in case. And then let's go ahead and give it initial velocity here. We want it to arc, so what we're going to do is give it a little bit of height, and then let's give it like a good amount of force. So we're going to have to change a little bit of things here. So basically we want it to spawn in a certain location. So what we're going to do, let's just move a couple things around. We're going to need a couple of variables here. So let's get, they're going to be vector. This one's going to be for player location. The next one we're going to copy and paste. It's going to be player rotation. We're all going to be set to 0, 0, 0. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do a new event. Let's do another player spawned event. And once the player spawned, let's go to new action, actor, get location and rotation. So let me just, I don't know, I like having these like straightened out. Then player 0 is going to be our target. Location vector, so let's do a new variable. Let's go named. It's going to be a vector. And the name is going to be player location. And let's copy and paste that to player rotation. Put that into rotation. Let's do a delay 0.01. That's what we're going to do. So that's all set. Let's comment that. Update player location. Oops. And rotation. So that's set. So let's just put that organized right there. Cool. Let's move this up a bit. Alright, now the spawn point, we're not going to worry about that, but we're going to do spawn location, and then player rotation. For that one, spawned is going to be, let's make another variable here, it's going to be an empty object variable. Just going to name this grenade. Do a name variable down here, new action, no, new variable, a named variable. It's going to be object, just name it grenade, spawned. So let's see, if we play, do we get a spawn? Okay, yeah, so no matter what, no matter where we're rotating, it's going to be spawning in front. So, let me change a couple things. Let's change the velocities. All the way up here. Let's do 200 and 600. I just want to see if this looks normal here. So they're coming out this way. So just want to get the actual drawing part normal. Just be like, oh. At this point, we just need to get higher velocity. So let's do 1500. Okay, what are these? No. Don't want to just yet. Oh. There we go. Now we're just tossing them. That may be way too much forward velocity. Whoops. Alright, instead of messing with the velocity right now, we gotta make it so it rotates properly here. Like, it's coming out this way. Yeah, it's not rotating properly here. So let me see here. Are there any other variables we can check here? No. Let's go behind view just to kind of. Alrighty. We're have to mess with the rotation here. Let's do another vector here. Adjusted rotation. Let's go math. So new action, math. Get vector components. Yeah, this could be complicated. So just get rid of that delay. So let's get. Let me look. What do I need to get? The X, I think. So let's make a new variable here. Okay, new variable, float, normal float. Let's call this grenade rotation X. Change that to float. Grenade rotation X. And then do action. It's under math and then set. Okay. Let's do that. Actually, before we do that, let's go back to math and float. And let's do do rotation adjustment X. Set that to like 50 or something. So grenade adjustment X. Oh, it's rotation adjustment X. Okay, I think this will do it for us. Let's see. Kind of just spawning out of nowhere now. Oh, it's not updating. Oh, crap. Yeah, expose output. There we go. Do 0.01. Now it's updating. So let's go ahead. 90. Let's see. Let's try 0. Is this even changing anything? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, so it's not even changing. Let's do a level loaded log. We're going to log a float. And which float? We're going to do the grenade rotation. Whoops, go back. So it's going to log every 100th of a second. Actually, I think every 10th of a second is going to be long enough. So it is logging, it is changing. .1. Alright, let's stop logging that. Gotta get this rotation right. -1. I don't know. Alright, just for debugging purposes, let's do no action, misc, console command. Let's just do behind view, just so it goes behind. So playing should be already behind there. So the rotation's messed up. It's still messing up now. It's always going forward, like that way. Let me try changing this now, just to see. Still not doing it. Kylog, vector. Change that delay to 1 second. Let's see. I just want to check something. So no matter what, it's going. What's going on with this rotation? How did I do it before? Yeah, I remember now. I had. Okay. Let me get rid of all that. Don't need these. Go ahead and just do that. Let's create a dynamic trigger volume. Okay. Volumes, dynamic trigger volume. Kismet, let's do new action actor, attach to actor. And then target is going to be player 1. Let's do relative offset. Let's do 64 by 32. Let's see. Show volumes. Okay. Let me do something else. Show volumes. Let's see if we can get this position going. Let's attach it to a bone here. Let me just look that up here. Let's see here. Just one moment, I'm looking up bone names here. Let's see here. B underscore IK underscore hand underscore R. Let's see. Okay, we're getting close. Let's see here. Not too sure what I'm tweaking at this point. Alright, other way. Cool. So let's see, spawn point. Let's see if that'll work. Do anything for rotation here? Let's see. Alright. Kind of have to go into the last tutorial here to kind of figure out how I did it. There's in the basketball one. Let's go to Kismet. Rotation vector. Alright, so it's a rotation vector. Let's see if that changes anything. Still nothing. Can I get a description of what this is, please? I never like it when they don't. Let's try this. Still nothing. What is this? Static mesh actor. What else do I have to do? Is there like an all? Let's see. Let's see. Alright. So let's create another one of these. Except, actually, let's make it smaller. Let's do another dynamic trigger volume. Now this one's going to be attached to the grenade. New event. Level loaded. It's not attaching itself. That's cool. What's going on? They were working before. Oh man, what's going on? No, this isn't. Let's see. Okay. Now, for some reason, this isn't. There we go. Okay. Oops, I don't need to copy that. Okay. Cool. Now let's do a touch event. Okay. New event, touch. Static mesh actor. Let's get our. Don't need that. Where's our announcement? We got remake it. Okay. Action, voice announcements, play announcement, and grenade touch. Okay. Still no. Still not touching anything. Is there like an all, like, actor? Alright, no. Okay. Let's do some ignores. Trigger. Is that another one? Is there a trigger volume? Another one. Trigger volume, and then let's do a dynamic trigger volume. Dynamic trigger volume. Okay, let's try this now. What is it? Is there a particle? Emitter? Yeah, okay. Let's try that. What? What is it touching? Is there like ignore? Is there player controller? Is there like an enemy? No. What is it touching? Alright. Something changed. Okay. Jeez. Actor. Is there like one that's just straight up volume? Yep. Maybe it's because we're within volume here. What the heck? This is so annoying. I'm trying to figure out what it's touching. Let me take on pawn. What is it touching? Oh my god. Is there a way to tell what it's touching? Let's see. Okay, is there anything else being logged? All it's logging. Let's see. I gotta know what it's touching. This is annoying. Is it touching itself? No idea. Okay, now it's not doing it at all. And why is that? Is it because I did K actor? It is. Okay, why is just straight up K actor breaking it? Do I have to make the volume bigger? Let's see. Oh man. Character, emitter, volume. Pawn. Player. I guess we'll just do pawn. Now it's not touching anything. This doesn't make any sense. Actor. Static mesh actor. I got, like, what else is there? Static. It's not touching. I'm so confused. Okay, actor. So it's not firing at all now. And we're telling it. Let's see. This is annoying. Like, it's gonna just fire now. It's like, hey, why is... I don't get it. Ugh. I don't understand what's going on. This is difficult. Is there like a UT static mesh? My UT team static mesh? I have no clue. Huh. UDK. Like, let's see. I have no idea what I'm looking for right now. Let's see. UT. I'm trying to see if there's like a UT static mesh, because that would probably be it. Nope. Perfect. I just wanted to collision. Like, is there new action physics? Is there anything for collision? Actor. There's nothing. This is what I kind of don't like about Kismet. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what this needs to be set to. Let's see. Whatever. Let's do a delay. 3 seconds. Alright, there's a lot going on. So what I want to do here is I want to update grenade location. Pressed. Update grenade location. Just do that. Copy paste that. Okay. Now that that's updated, I have to create new variables here. Just for grenade location though. I don't need to worry about rotation at all. Okay. Let's bring that up. Play that. That new action actor destroy target via grenade. So let's see what this does so far. Gonna have to do those simultaneously. Nice. Kind of need the explosion to be like a little bigger. I mean, that won't hurt anybody. Oops. Cool. Okay, now the last thing we're going to make is a little collision sphere. Okay. That's big enough. Let's actually bring that back down to 256. Okay. Do a trigger volume. Turn that off. Action. Toggle. Toggle. Turn on. That one. And there's going to be like a 0.5 second delay. Give it a turn off. There. Let's see what that looks like. I also attach this one. Let's find out. Nope, doesn't seem like that's working. Let's see what that is. Okay. There's going to be an offset. Maybe 64. Let's see. Let's try 128. Maybe negative 64. And that looks good. Let's see here. Let's kind of clean this up a tad bit. Let's do input hub. Spawn grenade. And then attach volumes. Okay. Let's do grenade behavior. Alright, now I need to do the touch. New action. Now new event. Touch. 0. Now touch types are going to be pawn. New T pawn. Let's get that one. And if they're touched, where's our voice announcement? Did I delete it again? Oops, I deleted it again. New action, voice announcements, toggle announcements. Oops. New action, voice announcement, play announcement. Player hit. Does that explode twice? Okay. Now we gotta do, so, you know that's working. Now we gotta do new action, misc, trace. Do empty here. So the start is going to be our volume, the end is going to be our instigator. We gotta do distance here. New variable. Bool. Nope. Float. Distance. It's a new variable. Named variable. Float. Oops. Then distance. Alrighty. Let's do a new action. Event. Remote event. And this is going to be damage dealing. So now let's do new event. Remote event. Damage dealing. Alrighty, so now we gotta do a bunch of conditions. So compare float. Okay, so distance. And then let's do like 32. So if the distance is equal to or less than, so yeah, this one, we're gonna do no action, zero pawn. Oh, there should be actor, modify health. Target is gonna be that instigator. The amount of what's going to here. Damage type, telefragged. Okay. Alright, there's just a big delay. Why does that keep playing? This isn't working the way I imagined it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's log distance. Log distance, and then players. Let's see. Okay. Let's go ahead and create a new one here. Alright. Grenade touch. Name variable. Object. Is there like another, like, does it kill on? Is there like a player? Let's see. There's actor. Let's try again. Alright. Let's also do a new event, level loaded, new action, actor, K actor, actor factory, you mean. And let's right click, add actor, path node, spawn point is our path node. We're going to do an empty variable for spawn. Then we're going to do UT factory AI, controller class none, pawn class UT pawn. And that should be enough for him to spawn. Maybe if I plugged it in, it would spawn. There it is. Someone talking to me now. Really? That didn't do any damage? Damn. This is hard. Okay. Let's just make this really nice, like 128, just so it kills. Does this kill me? change the size of that grenade. It's kind of big. 25, 25, 25. Alright, let's get back in there. This is a long tutorial. Oh god. I died again. Again. Kobe. Does this have to loop? That's kind of annoying. Let's see. Does it not kill these guys? I don't know. Let's see. So wait. So if those, so yeah, then this the distance is greater. B. Try. Let's see here. Maybe the target's gonna be all players. Let's see. So only if I touch it. Okay. What other kind of enemy pawn are there? Oh no. Player controller. Is there like a UT? Deathmatch? I don't know. I'm just picking random ones at this point. UT. Factory. EFG. They don't even have. Let's see. Oh, I died. Okay. Maybe. Pawn. Why is it so delayed? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. This tree's not good. It's like there's no end. try that. It seems like it's working every other time. But I think at this point, I've been working on this for a long time. It's been like 2 hours. So that's probably going to be it for this one. Maybe I'll come back to it later. Not too sure. Can't really wrap around my head about what's going on. So I hope you guys learned a little bit. This was a very long tutorial. So I'll see you next time, guys. I'll see ya when I do. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.